From the following ledger balances extracted from the books of Mr. Avinash, we have to prepare a trial balance as on 31st December 2012, where the format will be, first we are going to write the title, trial balance in the books of Avinash as on 31st December 2012, where the format will be serial number, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. By considering the following entries we have here, we are going to post these entries into the trial balance. Before that, we should know that which entry we are going to record in the debit balance and which is the amount we are going to record in the credit balance. So all the entries will be recording in the particulars, but the only thing is we have to identify the entry and we have to write the amount in debit or we are going to write in the credit. So now whatever amount we are going to write in the debit amount column, that should be either an asset or it has to be an income. So when coming to the credit column, we are going to take share capital, liability, then any income we have, we are going to show these three amounts in the credit column. So on the basis of this rule, we are going to prepare a trial balance. Now let us take one by one entry and we'll directly post to the trial balance by considering the debit and credit. So the serial number 1 we have is capital account. So the same thing we are going to write here, serial number 1, capital account. So when coming to the capital, it is a capital which will be coming in the liability. So as I said, when coming to the liability or capital, the amount will be shown in the credit amount column. So the amount in the credit column, 4,40,000. Then we have serial number 2, plant and machinery account, 2,60,000. So when coming to the plant and machinery, it is an asset. Asset will be recorded in the debit balance. So serial number 2, plant and machinery account, in the debit amount column, 2,60,000. Then serial number 3 we have debtors, which is 1 lakh. So debtors is nothing but a current asset where we can receive the amount within a period of 1 year. So debtors is nothing but asset. Asset we are going to record in the debit amount column. So serial number 3, debtors account, in debit amount column, 1,000. Then we have serial number 4, interest on loan account, which is 4,000. So what loan we have taken, on that we have to pay the interest, which is an expense for us. So expense will be recorded in the debit amount column. So serial number 4, interest on loan account, in the debit amount, 4,000. Then we have serial number 5, wages account. So wages, again it is an expense, again it should be recorded in the debit amount column. So serial number 5, wages account, where the amount was 2,400. Then we have serial number 6, salary account, which is 5,000. Again salary is an expense, we are going to record in the debit amount column. Serial number 6, salary account, in the debit amount column, 5,000. Then we have carriage inward account. So serial number 7, carriage inward. So again it is an expense, we are going to record in the debit amount column. So where serial number 7, carriage inward account, in the debit amount column, 1,000. Then we have serial number 8, carriage outward account. So again it is an transportation expense which were paid for transporting the goods from inside the organization to the outside. So again it is an expenses, serial number 8, carriage outward, in the debit amount column, 1,400. Next thing we have is serial number 9, sales account, 6 lakh. So when coming to the sales, it is nothing but an income. Income should be recorded in the credit amount column. Serial number 9, sales account, in the credit amount column, 6 lakh. Then we have serial number 10, return outwards account, which is 5,000. So return outward in the sense what goods we have purchased, out of that we are going to return the goods, which is purchase returns. So when coming to the purchase return, whatever goods we are returning, for that we are going to receive the amount which will be income for us. So that should be recorded in the credit amount column. So serial number 10, return outwards account, in the credit amount column, 5,000. Then we have return inwards. So here the goods which we have sold, for that we are getting returns, which is nothing but sales return. So any goods which is sold, again if it is returned, it is an expense for us that should be recorded in the debit amount column. So serial number 11, return inwards account in the debit amount column 4,000. Then we have advertisement account. So advertisement is an expenses that should be recorded in the debit amount column. So serial number 12, advertisement account, where the amount was 2,900 recorded in debit amount column. Then we have office rent account. So where the amount was 4,600. So where again it is an expenses which should be recorded in the debit amount column. So serial number 13, office rent account in the debit amount column 4,600. Then we have serial number 14, insurance account 1,560. Again it is an expense. Again serial number 14, insurance account debit column 1,560. Then we have serial number 15, furniture account 45,000. Furniture is an asset, and asset always shows debit balance. So in the serial number 15, furniture account, debit account or debit amount column 45,000. Then we have serial number 16, buildings account, which is 2,60,000. So again building is an asset which will be showing a debit balance. So again serial number 16, buildings account in the debit amount column 2,60,000. Then we have serial number 17, bills receivable account. So bills receivable, again it is an asset, amount should be recorded in the debit amount column. Serial number 17, bills receivable account in the debit amount column 6,000. Then we have cash account. Again cash and bank is an asset which will be recorded in the debit column. So serial number 18, cash account, debit amount column 45,000. Then we have serial number 19, bank account, where we have debit balance which is the positive balance which is asset, again in the debit amount column 70,000. Then we have serial number 20, commission account. So commission is an expenses, again it should be recorded in the debit amount column. So again serial number 20, commission account in the debit amount column 1,000. Then we have opening stock, which is 1,20,000. So opening stock is nothing but an asset for us which should be recorded in the debit amount column. So serial number 21, opening stock account 1,20,000 in the debit amount column. Then we have serial number 22, purchases account. So purchases is nothing but an expenditure. Expenditure or expense should be recorded in the debit amount column. So serial number 22, purchases account in the debit amount column 5 lakh. Then we have serial number 23, creditors account, which is 5 lakh. So creditors is nothing but an liability for us. Liability always shows a credit balance. So serial number 23, creditors account in the credit amount column 5 lakh. Then we have bad debts account. So bad debt is nothing but an expense for us. It is a loss which should be recorded in the debit amount column. Serial number 24, bad debts account in the debit amount column 7,000. Then serial number 25, we have bills payable, which is our liability, which is of 1,20,000. Liabilities always shows credit balance. So serial number 25, bills payable in the credit amount column 1,20,000. Then serial number 26, we have bank loan account. So anything which is taken as a loan, it is a liability for the organization, and liability should be recorded in the credit amount column. So serial number 26, bank loan account in the credit amount column 23,100. Then we have serial number 27, discount received account 20,760. When discount is received, it is an income for us, and income will be recorded in the credit amount column. Serial number 27, discount received account in the credit amount column 20,760. Then we have serial number 28, interest on investment account 32,000. So what investment we have made, on that we are receiving a interest which is a income. So serial number 28, interest on investment account in the credit column 32,000. Then serial number 29, we have investment account 3 lakh. So investment is nothing but an asset which should be recorded in the debit amount column. So serial number 29, investments account in the debit amount column 3 lakh. After recording all the entries, we have to close the trial balance to find out the balance of debit and credit. If we are getting the same total both the side, it means that trial balance was posted in the correct format. So the total of debit balance we are getting is 17,40,860. Now coming to the total of credit side, even we are getting here 17,40,860, where we are going to write it as a total. So here we are done with the preparation of trial balance by considering debit and credit.